Hey guys, it's Mike from Urban English. It's a beautiful Tuesday morning here in Barranquilla, and as you can see, I'm standing in front of the Colombian Architects Society building, where today at 6 o'clock there will be a book launch as part of the No Conocí el Palma event that's happening this month. By the way, No Conocí el Palma is all about the heritage of Colombia's architecture, and if you want more information on that, you can check out that URL above. You can't actually click on the link, but if you copy it, paste it in your browser, you can go check that out. It's noconocielpalma.com. Guys, today's expression is somewhat related to a book launch, and that is, you can't judge a book by its cover. You can't judge a book by its cover. So literally that means that when you pick up a book and you look at it, you know, you can't really tell by what's on the front of the book whether the book is going to be good or not. And we actually use that when we're talking about people. All kinds of things, but most specifically people. So when you see a person on the street, let's say, I'll give you an example. I have a friend back in Canada, amazing guy, super incredible guy, super friendly, helps people whenever he can. But if you see him walking down the street towards you, I guarantee you would probably think, uh-oh, what am I going to do? This guy is huge. He's got a big beard. He's got all sorts of tattoos. He drives a Harley Davidson motorcycle. When you see him, you would easily make the assumption that he was a criminal. You would be judging a book by its cover. And again, you can't judge a book by its cover. You cannot make assumptions based on perceptions. Guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. As usual, if you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. I'd actually like to know what this expression is in Spanish too, so if you can, give that to me. And like always, have a fantastic day.